Jack and Ontarian acquired this magic MF430 jointer planer that was made by Lindy di Soliera Carpi Italia in 1989. It is a giant 16-jointer planer with heavy stand. Its cutter head is 125 mm in diameter with 430 mm cutting length. The original cutter head was worn out with a strip bearing, but the jointer was well maintained in excellent shape. As Jack wants to use it on daily basis, so we installed 180 carbide knives along 10 spirals. The knives come with round edges and are placed at around 10-degree angle. The spiral cutter head generates shear cut action. The cutter head slices or mills wood with no tear out. It produces glassy finish on hardwood, softwood, and man-made board. Your sanding work can be dramatically reduced or eliminated. The carbide knives are made of tungsten carbide, which is usually used to produce inserts for cutting steel and last 10 times longer than high-speed steel blades. As there are 4 edges on each insert knife, so the set of knives on the spiral cutter head can work 40 to 50 times longer than a cutter head with long high-speed steel blades. You have to sharpen your blades very often once the edges get nicked, damaged or become dull. It's annoying to sharpen and adjust the blades. With the spiral cutter head, you only need to rotate the knives for a new edge in minutes. Noise is significantly reduced as only a few pieces of the segmented inserts contact the boards at every instant. Neither your family nor your neighbor will complain the loud noise anymore. The carbide insert knives are 15 mm by 15 mm in sizes and make small chips. Dust collection is much easier with a spiral cutter head than with your long blade cutter head. We manufacture to custom sizes for any machines. Contact us now for your upgrade. It's our pleasure to be helpful. Thank you for your watching.